In today's video, I'll be showing you how to join the TikTok Creativity Program from the UK. Now, in order to join the TikTok Creativity Program, you must first open up your TikTok account, and from there, you can go over to your profile in the bottom right corner, and then you want to go into the top right corner and look for the 3 lines. When you click on that, you'll see these 4 different options, but we just want to go to the first option, which should be Creator Tools. From there, we can see a whole bunch of different creator tools such as analytics, monetization, and other tools. But since we're trying to join the Creativity Program Beta, we're going to go over to monetization, which is the tab in the middle, and the third option along is the Creativity Program Beta. So we can click on that, and from there, if you are actually eligible, you'll be able to enroll in the Creativity Program Beta. So here they tell you a bit about it and what you get with it. However, at the bottom, you can see the eligibility requirements. So you must have at least 10,000 followers, you must have at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days, you must be at least 18 years old, and you must have a public account. Now, as you can see, I don't have 10,000 followers, 100,000 video views in the past 30 days, or a public account, so it doesn't actually give me the option to apply. However, if you do meet all those requirements, you will simply be able to click apply at the very bottom, and from there, you'll be able to apply to the TikTok Creativity Program Beta. Now, you won't get accepted straight away, you'll get notified whether your application is successful within 3 days after you've applied. But as long as you meet all those requirements and your TikTok page is in good standing, you should be accepted into the program. So that's how you can join the TikTok Creativity Program Beta from the UK. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.